This is going to be a video tutorial on how to stretch pictures in Canva. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on the free version of Canva. To stretch an image in Canva, I have a PNG image here on my canvas. If I wanted to stretch this image, the way to do that, first thing you want to do is double left click on the image. It'll bring up the cropping tools, and then the next thing you want to do is go to one of the corners of the image. I'm going to go to this corner right up here. I'm going to put my cursor over that corner. I'm going to hold down the shift key, and while holding down the shift key, I'm going to hold down the left mouse button. Then I'm going to stretch this image however I want to stretch it. Say that I want to stretch it about like this here. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button first, then I'm going to let go of the shift key. Now if I clicked off of my image right now, this is the only area that would be showing, but I want my entire image to be showing. The next thing you want to do is go to one of the corners of this inner box. I'm going to go to this corner right here, put my mouse cursor over it. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button. You don't need to hold down any other keys other than the left mouse button. And then I'm going to stretch this inner box to match the outer box. I'm going to click off of my image now. That is how to stretch an image in Canva. Thanks for watching.